Hey all, this is Ben Goodman with Cenco Roofing here doing a post inspection for the Semininis. So let's go ahead and make our way up to the top of the roof to take a look at how the crew did. First thing I want to talk about are these valleys. This is what's called a California cut valley. So it's a very easy and efficient valley for the crew to do, and that bump that you mentioned before should iron out over time. But this right here, this is a big thing. This is the ridge venting that the crew put in. You can actually see here in the picture coming up, this is what this ridge looked like before with the box vents, but now we have the ridge venting, which should give you a much more efficient ventilation. But this is the biggest thing. I mean, look at what this roof looked like before versus now. This thing is looking great, and thank you for trusting us with your home, and we look forward to being your roofer for life. Thank you very much.